Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Olubukola. You guys, I'm so hyped because today's going to be my last video for the year 2020. Any other video coming after this is going to be like airing by 2021, so this is going to be my last video for the year 2020. And to all of you that stayed with me the beginning of this year till this point, I am so grateful to each and every one of you guys. I'm so grateful. And you guys, I said something in my last video that if you have a new YouTube channel and you are just starting out and you need a shout out, please always drop comment, because from videos starting from next year, I'm going to be including some YouTube channel as well that are just starting out. Please, if you see their channel and you're interested, please try as much as possible to support them as well. Let's support each other and help each other grow. So just in case you missed yesterday's video and you missed the information, and that's why I'm repeating myself in today's video. So you guys, in today's video, I am going to be talking about glutathione extra fort serum, injection serum, and the jarable injection serum as well. I know they look alike, and yes, for those that have been asking if they are the same, if the effects are the same, their effect is so close. Familiar with this particular product. In this video, I'll be telling you guys how you can use it, what you should watch out for when using it, what you should add to it, and what you should expect when using this particular serum or this particular injection. Both the jarable and the glutathione extra fort serum, I don't have an idea about the current price though, but I know they are not really expensive, but not really expensive the last time I checked. So if you know you want to use this particular serum, their injection, I don't know why I keep saying serum, but their injection, if you see them, is always in a tiny bottle. It's like a small and mighty, something like that. So if you know that you want to use any of this injection, number one thing is that you should add something to it that is not going to make your skin react to heat. Meaning you need an anti-reaction if you want to work with this particular injection. They are not meant to be used directly on the skin. Both the jarable injection and the glutathione extra fort injection are both whitening injection. So if you know that you don't want to near anything to whiten your skin or whatever, it is not something you can go close to. So if you know you have the intention of taking your skin to a 3 shades forward, then these are injection or these are serums that you need that can be added to either your oil or your cream. But whenever you are adding it to either your oil or your cream, make sure you go along with either a glycerin, something that is going to help it. Don't just pour it like that, don't just mix it like that. Be very, very careful. It whitens the skin a whole lot. So it's not just something that you need to like just use anyhow. So whenever you are using them, make sure that you either add an anti-reaction and you as well have a glycerin in whatever thing you are using it to do. I think glycerin is not that expensive. Magic White glycerin is around 2,000 naira. I don't know if it still retains that price, but I think that's the price the last time I checked. So if you know you want to use either of this injection serum, then definitely go along with your anti-reaction and go along with your glycerin. So another thing is this: if you're adding it to your cream, I would advise you to add something to help you prevent stretch mark. And if you have the intention, or if you have the intention of maybe you want to whiten up your skin, and you know that even in the normal ground state, whenever I use lightening products, it reacts on your skin that you always see obvious green veins, don't go near the injection serum, because it whitens a lot. It's going to be so sensitive on your skin and it's going to make your green veins so obvious. So whenever you are mixing it either to your oil or to your cream, try as much as possible to add glycerin, anti-reaction, as stretch mark ampoule. If you don't know what stretch mark ampoule is, this is what stretch mark ampoule looks like. So it's just this tiny little bottle, but it goes a long way. Don't put your skin on the risk. If you have never used it before and you want to use it, make sure you add an anti-stretch mark to it, just to keep your skin safe. This is an anti-stretch mark ampoule. You can add to it. Make sure you add it to it if you are just introducing your skin to all this injection. You can see they are tiny. Yeah, they are tiny but very, very effective. So they whiten the skin. They go 3 shades for that. So for those of you that have been wanting me to make a whitening cream or wanting me to like make a tutorial on whitening cream, I said I wasn't going to do it, but I said I will be dropping tips for you guys that is going to help. So if you want a serum that goes raw, so you can add both serums can work in one cream. You can add both serum in one cream. So you can just do the ratio in maybe 30-30, and then you can as well add the pure Egyptian serum with it alongside the pure Egyptian serum with it. And the reason why I say if you are adding these two into your cream, you can work with the pure Egyptian serum is because the pure Egyptian serum is like a glowing serum. So when you're working with these two whitening serum and they're just whitening up your skin, then go with something that's as well going to help you glow your skin. And that's when the pure Egyptian serum and as well the glycerin comes in. So don't apply directly on your skin. For those of you that have been asking me, make sure you mix it with something. An anti-reaction, anti-stretch mark, and glycerin should be added to it as well if you want to use it. This is it. If you have not used it before and you want to just use it on your skin and you think you can just go and jump into using it like that, you are going to damage your skin. Green veins, varicose vein is what you are calling. So make sure you use with caution. And I know that if you use it with caution, it's not something that is going to damage your skin. So it is only when you use it alone or apply directly on your skin. And you know now in Nigeria, you know the weather. So you apply that type of injection serum on your skin and you start walking around in the sun. So what are you expecting? So if you use it the right way, it is not going to damage your skin. And that's what I'm telling you guys. Add an anti-reaction, anti-stretch mark, glycerin to it if you know that you want to use it. It works well in oil and cream because they are stay-on products. So it works well in stay-on products. So whenever you want to use it, just add all these things to it, and I'm sure it's not going to damage your skin. They are safe, but you have to know how you can use it. So this is what I am going to say. So in proportion of using it, if you want to use both in your cream, I think the Gluta Extra Forte is around like 15 ml. What is inside is around 15 ml. So if you want to use it with like your this thing, you can add one of the Gluta Extra Forte serum and one of the Jaribu in about 300 ml. If you know you are making a whitening cream, then go in and back it up with your anti-reaction, anti-stretch mark, your glycerin and all of that. So I hope this tip is going to help, because I'm not going to do a tutorial about it, and I'm not just going to leave my subscribers out on that part. I'm not just going to leave you guys hanging. So I promised I was going to share little tips about it, and that is what I bring to you today. It's not that all other serums don't work. It's not that maybe all this glutathione comprime serum, it's not that maybe all this skin free mix don't work, but these injection serums, they work faster than the rest. It's not as if you cannot work with the rest. If you choose to work with the rest, then it's fine. It's not as if they don't work as well. They work, but this work faster and they help boost the effect. So whenever you're using all this injection, back it up with serum meant to like glow your skin as well, so that when you're looking, or when the effect starts showing on your skin, you are not just looking pale, your skin is not looking dry, it's glowing as well. So that is what I bring to you guys today, and this is going to be our last video for this year. You guys, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to drop your YouTube channel name if you're interested. Yeah, drop it in the comment section. I'll be giving a shout out from next year probably, so you guys can just help each other. Thank you so much for coming on my channel today. Please, if you have not subscribed, turn on your post notification, click the subscribe button so that you always get notified anytime I drop new video. And that is not bad to be like a Christmas or Happy New Year in advance gift for me. If you just click on the subscribe button, I would really appreciate that. So thank you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you, you make up your mind. You want me to prove it to you, to see what I lose.